The birth of Earth is a fascinating tale that stretches over billions of years, shaped by cosmic forces and complex processes. The story begins about 4.6 billion years ago when our solar system was nothing more than a swirling cloud of gas and dust. This cloud, known as the solar nebula, was composed of elements like hydrogen, helium, and heavier materials, including metals and silicates. As this nebula began to collapse under its own gravity, it started to spin and the material within it began to condense. At the center of this spinning mass, the Sun was born as hydrogen atoms fused together under extreme pressure and temperature, initiating nuclear fusion. As the Sun formed, the surrounding dust and gas began to clump together, driven by gravitational forces. These clumps of material, known as planetesimals, collided and merged over millions of years. Some planetesimals grew large enough to become protoplanets, early forms of planets still in the process of formation. One of these protoplanets was the Earth. During the early stages of its formation, Earth was a hot, molten mass constantly bombarded by leftover planetesimals. This period, known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, saw numerous collisions that released vast amounts of energy, leading to the melting of the planet's surface. Despite these harsh conditions, Earth was slowly cooling down, and the dense materials sank to the center, forming the core, while lighter materials rose to form the mantle and crust. At the same time, gases trapped in the planet's interior began to escape, forming a thick atmosphere. This atmosphere, however, was very different from what we breathe today. It was primarily made of carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogen, with little or no oxygen. The surface was still very inhospitable, but eventually, the temperature began to stabilize. As Earth continued to cool, water vapor in the atmosphere condensed to form oceans. This allowed for the creation of Earth's hydrosphere, which played a crucial role in shaping the planet's surface. With liquid water now present, conditions on Earth became more favorable for the formation of life. The oceans provided a stable environment for the first simple organisms to emerge, marking the beginning of life on Earth some 3.5 billion years ago. Today, Earth stands as a dynamic planet with a complex atmosphere, diverse ecosystems, and a stable climate. The processes that formed our planet continue to shape it, with plate tectonics, volcanic activity, and erosion all playing a role in the ongoing evolution of the planet's surface. The birth of Earth, from a cloud of gas and dust to the vibrant world we know today, is a story of cosmic collisions, gradual cooling, and the rise of life, a testament to the dynamic forces of the universe.